Hi everybody, it's me, Tereese. I am back with another card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. So today I'm using a regular standard playing card. Well, this is a little bit smaller than a standard size playing card, but I got this from Dollar Tree. So I wanted to share what I created for this week. And it's September 26th, week 39. Oh my God, 39. Crazy, isn't it? So I had some die cuts that I wanted to use. So this is a deer die that I used in one of my artisan journal prompts. So I had an extra one. Um, so I used some scrapbook paper and book pages. This is like a wood grain. I think it's just a regular, yeah, it's from Joann's, and I just tore it in the corner and I added it here. I always leave the portion of the playing card exposed. I kind of like that look, and it shows, I mean, this shows that it's a playing card, but I like how it exposes parts of the playing card. So these are, I think these are Martha Stewart punches that I had punched many years ago when I was doing my fall cards. And this deer, like I said, is a die. And then I did my finger bow with some burlap. What are these? These are just twine from the Dollar Tree. And I did my finger bow, and this is my stamped word that I used, hope. And my camera is not focusing. There you go. Yeah, I love how this turned out. It's really, really cool. Um, so yeah. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.